Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm came up with the last student of my college who gets selected in a Cognizant, and she's selected, yeah. And the cluster two is the basically Python is the programming language for this interview. And the question were asked are 13 questions, and the interview duration is 40 minutes. Why it is 40 minutes? Because the question count is less. We will know in the video. So be in the video to the last, and I will share you all the questions, order the questions, and with the some of the hints. Okay, so let's start with the questions. So yeah, the first question. Okay, so the first question is self-introduction. As usual in each and every interview, the self-introduction is the foremost and the best question, or we can say the permanent question in every interview. So you should be explain in a properly your self-introduction in with the confidence, because we know that the first impression is the last impression. That's why self-introduction is a very best and easy question, because we should know who you are, who we are. Okay, so the next question is why you choose women's college. So the candidate belongs to the women's college. So the question was like why you choose women's college. Okay, and then about family background. So interview was asking about the candidate's family background, where she belongs, like these questions. Then the next question is what is Python. So the cluster two interview was there, and the for cluster two Python is the basic language. So the interviewer start the questioning on the programming language as a Python. Then the next question is what is the difference between Python and C? So as we know, C is the procedure-oriented programming language, whereas Python is OOPS language, that is object-oriented programming language. Then the next question is what is list, tuple, and set? So these are the primary, very simple question. Whenever we are searching in the on the Google, like give some interview questions on Python, then this is the very common question, that is what is list, tuple, and set. Okay, so set cannot contain duplicates value, and this, so which is a very basic question. Then difference between list, tuple, and set. Okay, that is again come here. Okay, fine. Then program for prime number in a given range. So we should know what is prime number that has only two factors. One is itself and one, that is two factors of prime numbers, and but we have to find in given range. So they are giving like 1 to n will be range, and we have to find in that only. Then the next question is program for prime number addition in given range. So first we have to find the prime number, then we have to add, like we can take an extra variable as a sum and we can just add it. Okay, so that will be the next. Then the 10th question is program for even and odd in a given range. So these are the very simple and basic questions. We know how to find the prime number. We know how to find the even and odd. That is a very simple and basic logic. Okay. And then are you comfortable with the relocation? So now this starts from HR question. So here the questions are only 13. But why this is a too long, big interview of a 40 minutes? Because here the interviewer ask more programming questions. Okay, so it need time to have the code, type the code, then explain the code. So that was the time consuming there. Okay, if you are consuming more time, then there are more chances to get selected. So that's why you should be give in detail answers, give the program with explanation. If you write the program also, then you have to explain. Then interviewer will know that yeah, this student know more knowledge. This student have the hands-on experience on the programming. Okay, so from there, from this is the HR question. Now, can you work in a shift? So, are you comfortable with relocation? And can you work in a shift? This is the question which is asked to all students, like each and every student have gone through this question. Okay, so you should be saying yes sir, I'm able to relocate and I'm able to work in shift. Okay, now last question is can you work in different technology other than my skill set? Yeah, so yes, if you are able to work, then yeah, you can say yes. And you should be, as you have mentioned, I'm quick learner sir, I'm resilient sir. So yeah, if you are mentioning that, then you should be able to work in a different technology. So yeah, that was the overall experience. Thank you once again. And for after this video, I'm gonna to share the process of communication videos and communication round, then the coding round. So be there with my channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.